come from over 50 different countries. We speak nearly 20 different languages. But there's something that makes us all one world family. It's bioactivism. Bioactivism is about using natural bioactives to help people be healthier and happier. It's about more than business. It's about making a real, positive difference in the lives of people. And we're doing that. If you don't believe it, just ask Don Ollinger. He just lost 160 pounds of body fat with FIT. Now that's life-changing. Congratulations, Don. We are so proud of you. Or ask Katerina Houdinsi. When her husband, Ricky, developed cancer and could no longer work or earn an income, Katerina was able to support her beautiful family with her earned income. I can't tell you how happy that makes me feel. I hear these stories every day, and I've been hearing them every day for 16 years now. That's why I'm a bioactivist, because I know that we have the power to change the world by changing lives one at a time. I've seen it happen more times than I can count. You know, health and happiness are easy things to stand for, but it's not enough just to stand for something. You have to do something. You have to take action. And that starts with just one person. You. Then another. Tomorrow 100. The next day 1,000. And one day, all working together, we'll be in every household this world has. And soon, you'll have to add the words bioactivism and bioactivist to the dictionary because of us. But the only way we'll succeed is if we believe that what we have is too good to keep to ourselves. I do, and I'll tell you what else I believe. I believe that one person can change the world. I believe in the power of ideas, and that there are always new opportunities to improve quality of life through innovation. I believe in trying with everything you've got, no matter what you're doing, and never giving up. Never. And I believe that this bioactivism movement, this company, is heaven sent. That heaven was with us in the beginning and continues to express interest in us today. I also want you to know, every one of you here today, that I believe in you. I believe that each one of you can make a difference in the world you live in. Thank you.
I believe in doing well while doing good.
I believe in getting healthy and feeling great.
I believe in being happy.
And quitting my day job.
In helping others succeed.
I believe in sleeping well at night.
In residual income.
I believe in life.
And doing something good.
I believe in happy energy.
I believe in retail therapy.
I believe you should conquer your fear.
I believe in the power of a smile.
I believe in myself.
I believe in being a survivor.
And living in a younger, healthier body. And running marathons.
I believe in never giving up.
I believe in giving back.
I believe in freedom.
I believe in kittens.
In Sonny and Cher. I believe in happiness at every age. In Disney World.
I believe in family.
In helping the elderly.
In charity.
I believe that one person can make a difference.
That dreams come true.
I am a bioactivist.
I am a bioactivist.
I'm 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 a bioactivist.
I am a bioactivist.